Hello, it's autumn now, so let's talk about my autumn fragrance rotation. These are my favourites. I'm not an expert, it's just what I like. I'm nearly out of this one, so I'll start with this one. Is it obvious or is it just simply a classic? This is By the Fireplace by Replica. On me, this smells very sweet on first spray. It's quite caramelly, vanilla, dries down into something really nice and woody. It's got something clovey, something vanilla-ish. I don't get an overwhelming amount of smoke with this, but I know a lot of people do. And I do prefer this one a little bit closer to Christmas actually, but it is pretty much good from September all the way through winter. In a similar vein, I actually only have the little sample of this. This is Autumn Vibes by Replica. This one is so different to me. This is definitely more for crisp, cool autumn days. Very woody, very appropriate for unisex fragrance. Has something more like resinous and earthy about it to me. I don't really know how else to describe it. Woody, but still has a smidge of fresh in it that cedar usually gives. I don't like any kind of fresh smells whatsoever, but this is very tolerable, very pleasant. I say fresh, I mean like the tiniest bit of fresh. One of my favorites is Spice Bomb by Viktor and Rolf. I really hate the packaging. I hate that it's a grenade, but this does smell like a delicious, sexy, warm hot cross bun. I'm aware that I do need to try the extreme or the intense version or whatever it's called, but yes, this does lean heavy on the spices as its namesake. For me, this is very much gourmand territory. It's got lots of cinnamon, lots of clove. It's very warm and very, very sweet, and it's very, very addictive. Tobacco by Maya and Jai. I've spoken about this before. Smoky, sexy leather car seats. Very leathery on first spray, very smoky on first spray, but yeah, dries down to leave something really sweet and quite gentle behind. This feels like a very grown-up fragrance to me. I feel like a woman when I wear this. I think this would be a really nice perfume for the evening, but I do wear it all day. Has a slightly more incensey note than the other ones. I can't think of like what the note would be, but it slightly tickles the nose a little bit more. It's a bit more fragrant. And then last but not least, because I don't have it, because I need to rebuy it, is Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford. This is my most complimented perfume. I've worn it for years. I always get people asking me what it is, but I also think it's quite distinctive. When you smell someone wearing it, you know exactly what it is. More vanilla than tobacco, in my opinion. A very wearable tobacco fragrance. It's very warming in the same way that Spice Bomb is, because it's got tonka in it. So it's just very like cuddly, cozy, but still quite sexy, still quite spicy. Not as spicy as Spice Bomb, but spicier than the other ones here. Anyway, I really want to try Vanilla Sex by Tom Ford, and I want to try Burberry Goddess. So let me know if you love them. Let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you think I'd like them. That is the whole video.